What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. Gonna go down, give the worms a nice big feeding. I'll be heading down to my brother's for a few days just to see how everything's going down his way. Maybe prep his gardens for the winter, and also do a quick flip of his compost, make sure he's looking good, so next season we'll be able to add everything to the garden beds. Let's hop in and check out and see how these worms are doing. This side stayed unlatched, that side stayed latched. Oh. You'd have a worm playing on the top. Okay, so don't know what that's all about. Okay. I do remember not putting the, there was nothing to mark the feeding, but it should be right here in the center. Still seeing a few grapes. Oh, I think the watermelon rind. Oh yeah. Looks like some happy worms. I think that was the tomato. The pineapple. Just looking through. There's really not too much flesh left. It's more that outer skin, this outer material. The core, there's a couple real tiny worms right in there. Okay. This center area is definitely very moist. Here's the paper that was added to this one. This was just the, I was kind of trying to copy that bubble mailer, so I added some paper to the feeding. I guess it was 2 weeks ago. Darn, there's another nice little section of worms. And I guess they're just more in the juices that were left on the paper, which that's fine. This feeding area is pretty moist, which is, always a good thing for the worms. I want to see how these edges are looking. Now, that actually feels more moist. The other day when I grabbed it, it was, you could actually hear it crinkling. It was very dry. So, adding the lid did exactly what I wanted it to do in terms of helping to add some moisture and hopefully not affect the worms as much with the change, with the heater kicking on and blowing the air around. I still have some more grapes to feed them, so they're definitely going to be tired of grapes here in a little bit. So, starting to finish up on the last of the watermelon rinds. Also have a husk from corn. I have a corn on the cob. Oops. I have a corn on the cob just with a couple little kernels still on there. Small little handful of frozen carrots. I don't want to put all these grapes. Okay, so let's see about quick seeing if I can push through a few of these guys. Ooh. Okay. So hopefully they can start getting and keep finishing off that pineapple. And once again, right to the top, I'm going to go ahead and add my worm chow mix. This consists of cornmeal, flour, and expired oats, and a few ounces of ground up eggshell. Okay. Well, I definitely like the moisture of the bin with the lid on, so I'm going to try that again, see if I can continue to keep the sides fairly moist for the worms, keep them keep it enjoyable, so hopefully they can keep reproducing and making these great castings. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.